What's up, guys? This is John from johnmcneil.com, and today I'm very excited. And I'm excited because regardless if you've never made $1 online, regardless of your experience level, today I'm going to be showing you how you can actually cash in and make money on Craigslist. And we're going to start right now. What's up, guys? This is John from johnmcneil.com, and we're here at Craigslist, guys. I'm going to show you a simple process that you guys can do, that anybody can do, to start making $50 to $100 a day online with Craigslist. Now, guys, what we're going to be doing is we're going to actually be providing services to people that need it, right? So I'm here at Craigslist. I'm looking at the city of Orlando, Florida. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on services here, and I'm going to go to skilled trade. And the first thing that pops up is air conditioning, heating, electrician, plumbing, right? So this person or these people have a plumbing, air conditioning, heating, and electrical company, right? And they're marketing their services via Craigslist, and they're telling all about their services here. As you can see, it just basically lists the services that they provide and a phone number here, and like this kind of a generic image. And a lot of these people that are on Craigslist, they don't really understand, or they just haven't taken the step to actually truly market their business by actually creating a website. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be offering these people on here a website for free. So for instance, you're going to, call up this guy and say, hey, I noticed that you're marketing your plumbing, air conditioning, heating business on Craigslist. I noticed that you don't have a website. I didn't see it in your ad, and I'm a digital ad company. I'm just starting out, and I like to get some testimonials, and I would like to create a website for you for no cost. Right? So you're going to say, I'm going to create your website for free. And all I ask for you is to purchase your hosting from me, because they have to buy hosting in order to buy a website. And that's it. And then you're going to get their website created. Of course, you're not going to do it. You're going to outsource it. And then they're going to have a website, and you're going to get paid as an affiliate from the hosting company. So let's go ahead and break this down, guys. So first of all, let me just show you that hosting companies pay. So this is Bluehost. So visitors, for referring a visitor to Bluehost, you're going to get $65. Let's look at HostGator. Earn up to $125 per sign up. These are the affiliate programs just with hosting. Here's Host Monster. This says you receive $65 per referral right here. So $65, $125, there's tons of hosting companies out there. A lot of them pay $100 or more per referral. Now, where can I get a website created for cheap? You guys already know this, or you should know this. Fiverr.com. I just typed it in, website creation. I will do a responsive website for $20. I will create a WordPress full website for $20. I will do a WordPress full website creation for you for $10. It goes on and on and on. You can also go over to Upwork, and you can hire a freelancer to create a website for you here. But their prices will probably be a little bit, more expensive. So, it just kind of depends. You would have to just kind of find out what they charge. But obviously, you can always go to Fiverr because they're very cheap. Here's another outsourcing website, Online Jobs PH. Now, these are people that live in the Philippines. They're highly skilled. They're educated. They speak very good English. And you can hire these folks for as low as $2 and $3 per hour. And technically, you can get a full-time Filipino worker on this website for anywhere between like $200 and $400 per month that work for you full time. We're talking 40 hours a week just working directly for you. So imagine if you got busy on this Craigslist site and you just started contacting all of these people, handyman, free estimates. This guy doesn't have a website. He just has a phone number. Like, pull out, you call these guys and say, look, or you can email them, call them, and just say, look, I'm a digital ad company. I'm trying to get some testimonials. I'm trying to get my business off the ground. I'm willing to create a free website for you. All you have to do is buy your hosting from me. And when they pick up their hosting, you're going to make $125, $100+ every time they pick up their hosting. And you're only going to be spending $20, $30 to get their website created. And you could even take it a step further by first going to one of these sites and just have a website created. So you have like an example of a website that your company, your digital ad company creates. So get, a couple or a website done, like do a website for a plumber or do a website for an electrician or something like that. And then now you have an example to show these guys on Craigslist. So when you contact them, you can say, hey, I'm doing, I got my digital ad company. I want to create a website for you. I'm just looking for some testimonials, just trying to get started out. All you have to do is purchase your hosting through me and I create a website for you. Here's an example of a website that I've, created. This is a website that came from our company. And this is something that I can do for you as well. All you got to do is get your hosting. They say, yeah, I need a website. I need to grow my leads. I need to get, more of a presence online, and then you go out and you pay 10, 15, 20 bucks, get the website created. Boom. You've made 50 to 100 bucks depending on your profit margin that you work out with the actual person on Craigslist. So hope this made sense, guys. All you're doing is providing services for people that are here. So basically the hardest part is putting in a little bit of elbow grease and contacting these people on Craigslist. So, if you're emailing them, you can probably come up with a standard template and just, have your email together and just say, hey, I want to create a free website for you. You probably have a lot of no's, but you're going to get some yeses. And you're providing them a website. It's not like, this is a good thing for them. Like, they need a web presence. And some of these Fiverr gigs, just so you know, came with sometimes they come with SEO and some other stuff. So really go through some of this stuff and see what you can work out with some of these Fiverr people. But again, at the minimum, if they want a basic standard website, you can get that done for 20 bucks. And you have them sign up through, hosting through, HostGator here. You become affiliate of this hosting. You're going to make $125 and you spend 20 of that dollars getting the website created on Fiverr and you make $100, right? And the people on Craigslist are happy because now they have a website and not just like a generic ad on Craigslist. So easy process for anybody to follow. All you got to do is put in a little bit of elbow grease up front with the Craigslist folks, right? So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com, guys. I do have a free guide at my website, JohnMcNeil.com, that shows you how I do affiliate marketing, how I make money online. So you can just go directly to that link. It'll be in the description. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to that little John McNeil blue icon in the right-hand corner of the screen and click that little bell icon so that you're notified every time I release a new video. That's it for now, guys. Let me know what you think about this video. Was it too hard? Do you think you'll try it? Let me know your thoughts in the description below, in the comments below. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.